Hello everybody and welcome to today's assembly. This week's theme is loving one another. And I wonder if yesterday you heard the voice, our love should not be just words and talk. It must be true love which shows itself in action. Today I'm going to tell you about something Jesus did to show you what he meant. But first of all, let's set the scene. I wonder what you were doing 3 weeks ago. It would have been half term and we were in the middle of some hot, dry, sunny weather. A bit like the sort of weather that was normal where Jesus lived. When it's like that, I like to wear sandals to protect my bare feet but still keep them cool. The only trouble with sandals is that by the end of the day, especially if I've been out and about, my feet are pretty dirty. And that's living in a city with hard pavements and neatly cut grass to walk on. In Jesus' time, if you went to someone's house for a meal, the first thing that happened was that the most junior servant, or even a slave, would bring a bowl of water and a towel so as to wash the guests' feet. Now, I wouldn't mind washing your feet because you're young and your feet will be lovely. But when you get a bit older, your toes and your heels and your toenails all get a bit scabby and horrible. So it wouldn't be very nice at all to wash my feet. That's why it was that the lowest person available always had to do that dirty job of washing people's feet. Let me show you. This pair of feet have walked, run and cycled many hundreds of miles over 70 years. But now they're getting very old and scabby. And I wouldn't want to wash many feet like this. But if the owner of these feet was ill, or maybe had hurt his back so he couldn't get at them to wash them himself, then I wouldn't mind doing it at all, because I love him. He's my husband. Some of you will remember the story of when Jesus washed his disciples' feet on the night before he was arrested, tried and crucified. Peter tried to stop him doing it, but Jesus insisted. And afterwards he said to them, I, your Lord and teacher, have just washed your feet. You then should wash one another's feet. I have set an example for you, so that you will do just what I have done for you. Jesus really loved his disciples. In the same way, he loves us, and he wants all of us to follow his example. Now, we may not have to wash each other's feet very often, but we do need to show our love in action whenever and wherever we get an opportunity to do so. And not just to people we love like members of our own family, because Jesus told us to love everybody. He loved everybody he met and tried to help them and heal them and care for them. And that's what he wants us to do. We need to show our love for all our brothers and sisters in action. Amen to that.